Greetings, humans. We are at Cavite XI Speedcubing Open 2025. Let's start. It's 3x3. I'm still not good at it.
Who cares?
Megaminx. I now realize the reason I didn't get an average in field champs is because my Megaminx sucks and I now borrow Anne's.
What is that? What is that?
Clock. I finally got my own clock, which is the green clock. I had a good chance to PR, but it was kind of lucky. My Skewb results were not it. My times were so meh.
5,
Let me see ready.
Yeah, it's Skewb finals already. Watch the chaos ensue.
Quitting clock for a month. Quit clock.
Oh my god, two Skewbers. Billy Sarah dominate the speedcubing scene.
Shut up! No! Javi, don't do this to
Billy
me!
Sarah dominate the speedcubing scene.
No! Javi, please stop
Billy
it!
Sarah,
Shut up!
female podium. Only field champ, female podium.
Javi,
Second
Javi, why?
Like I'm the last.
I could probably PR and clock then.
No, you can probably dominate the speedcubing scene.
What if you guys swap events?
That was
Why?
a video idea. We were planning.
Please
This
people
we're not supposed to do it.
it's your father's work.
Please shut up.
Wow, that's trash. Wow, that's bad.
8 seconds.
Wow.
It sucked so much. It sucked. Watch me beat both your times. Oh my gosh, she's gonna beat both of her
Oh
times.
no.
She's gonna win actually.
Oh no.
Nope. I have the faster time. Let's go. Never mind.
Wait, he beat you.
What happened?
plus two?
It sucked. What happened?
Oh, I think we're choking this one.
We're choking this one so hard. Is this a choke to you? Oh wow.
Yeah.
You're 765.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, we're choking so
I
hard.
think it should be
here.
Ignacio and Billy Saren choke the competition.
Dude, this sucks.
Ignacio.
Well, that was your third or fourth? What was your first? Huh? Three.
Instead of Ignacio.
Choke. Bahati wins it all.
Wow.
No.
Sorry, that's when she said that I laughed.
We both counted the 5 and the 6.
Oh my gosh, you're actually choking.
You're actually choking so hard.
Mom is sweating. Usually mom is sweating. It's warm and I sweat already.
You're choking so hard. Oh shoot. Last one.
Great.
Last one, dude.
Last one, counting 7. Counting 5, 6, 7.
Ugh. Ugh.
Ready?
Oh yes! Finally, good sub.
Pizza party because Uno got NR African 2x2 and they brought pizza.
Skewber's pizza party, let's go! Does this make me a Skewber? Let's go!
Waiting to see who podiumed in Skewb because what if Anne actually did?
Look at that. Billy Saren dominate the speedcubing scene.
Yeah, Nino didn't win, so like you're third. Oh, nice. Good job.
She's a Skewber now. Quit clock. Quit clock. Quit clock.
So you will maybe stop disappointing people?
Wow! Wow, how harsh!
I feel like Anne hates me. It's a joke. It's a joke, man.
Nobody's winning yet. I'm gonna buy your clock. Thank you.
Yes!
It's weird that I made it into clock finals. Like what?
Ready?
Yeah.
Huh?
I moved it. I moved it when I picked it up.
Oh, whoops.
Immediate.
Hey, earning mo ulit?
Pa?
Anne?
Cello.
Marcelo. Second place.
Yes, pa.
Hindi ko na i-announce. At ako'y nababati.
Thank you. Akin na lang yung kay Anden. Yeah.
Okay, dinap ka niya. Yung ginawa niya, ginawa ko. Dinap yan.
What?
Na-move ko yung mismong pin. So, it's good. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. First solve ko rin kami kanina. Pangit eh. Ayun lang.
Anyway, here's the podium picture. It's just so odd.